Hey guys, we're back with part 3 of How to Be Happy. This is the third and final installment, so let's jump right into it. The next thing we're going to talk about is avoiding blame. Blame is just a recipe of unhappiness and for staying stuck in negative feelings. Whether you blame your ex or yourself, whether you blame a higher power for letting your loved one die, or you blame your former boss for firing you, letting go of that blame and finding a way to forgive is the key on how to feel happy. Next, find activities that keep you busy. Being too idle can lead to overthinking. When you're trying to learn how to feel happy, you may find it difficult to get interested in things that you used to love. However, the more you isolate yourself and the more you avoid activities, the more you're going to risk falling into depression. Stay busy with hobbies you used to enjoy, and you'll eventually find they start bringing you happiness again. It's easy to fall into this victim mentality when you see life as a series of negative events that happen to you. So change your mindset with this shift. Life is happening for you, not to you. Every situation in your life happens for a reason, and it's a stepping stone to the next level of growth. And that's what life is all about, growth. Another thing that we have to do is connect with other people, because life takes on more meaning when you connect and you share experiences with people. This may be more difficult for introverts or for those who experience social anxiety, but it's important to put yourself out there and to form new connections, as well as create deeper connections with the loved ones already in your life. Something as simple as a half-hour lunch with someone you enjoy talking to is one of the easiest ways to feel happy. It's one of the quickest ways to enrich your life. Now, you may not be able to get in the car anytime you want, jump into the car and go to the beach, for instance, but just penciling that into your calendar can boost your mood. Part of how to feel happy is having things to look forward to. So go ahead and plan that weekend getaway or friend's birthday party, even if it's not happening for weeks. Now remember, when I talk about living in the now, not to live in the past, not to live off in the future, that's of course not talking about things like this. Most people are projecting themselves into the future and imagining the worst case scenario. This is going to happen. I won't be able to afford this. This bill's going to be late, on and on and on. It's okay to go into the past if it's something necessary, if you're looking for certain information from a past event, but to go try to stay there and try to wish that you could have changed things or made it differently makes no sense. And the same thing in the future. But planning things, having things to look forward to is always great. You just don't want to fall into the trap where the payoff is always in the future. In other words, whatever it is now, you can't be happy because the payoff is always somewhere out there. This is different. Okay, having something to look forward to, putting it down in your calendar is almost part of the be the person you want to be and then you'll be them scenario. Live in the end scenario. Okay, so always have something fun to look forward to. Writing things down is important too, because writing helps us process emotions. So whether you've had this, like a particular experience that left you wondering how to feel happy, like a breakup, for instance, or you're just feeling down for some reason, write it out. You could discover new perspectives or solutions that you never thought of before, that never popped into your consciousness before. Another exercise you could do, write down 5 things you're grateful for. I talk about gratitude every single day in our Facebook community with my coaching clients from stage when I'm speaking. Gratitude is important. When you're grateful for what you have now, you get more to be grateful for. The benefits of adopting this attitude of gratitude, those are proven. There's no huge secrets when it comes to feeling happy. You don't have to go around the world. You don't have to sit in a cave and meditate for 12 hours a day. You can do it right now because it happens where you are. It's just taking care of yourself, your body, your mind, your soul, focusing on the needs of other people and looking to mentors or role models who've walked in your shoes, who've made the money, who've got the good relationship, who are happy, who are living lives full of passion. Whatever it is that you want, find those mentors in your life. We've done 3 videos here on happiness. If you put into effect just a few of the things that we talked about, I guarantee you will experience more fulfillment in every part of your life than you've ever felt before. You'll have so many more meaningful experiences that will happen on a regular basis. Don't chase happiness. Don't think happiness is somewhere out there, because that's the recipe for disaster. You're always chasing happiness. This person will make me happy. When I get this job, I will be happy. No. Happiness is an inner job. You grant it to yourself first. I'll be back tonight with another new episode of, not Brent Live, Science of Getting Rich. That's tonight at 7. It's a fantastic book. It's the landmark book by Wallace Wattles, The Science of Getting Rich. It's all about attracting abundance using your creative power, using your mind. This book is the basis for Think and Grow Rich, The Magic of Believing, The Secret. The information contained, pure gold. We're breaking down the book. We're going through it. I'm reading it. I'm giving you my notes. I'm trying to change a little bit of the language. It's one of those books. It was written 100 years ago. So the language is a little rough. Not rough. It's just a little antiquated. So I'm breaking that down for you. The Science of Getting Rich tonight at 7. If you've not joined our Facebook community, you should. That's the hub of our community. It's where we get together. It's like a family reunion every day. But why that community is there? To give you the tools you need to transform your life. I've been doing this for 30 years all over the world, teaching people about the immense power of the mind. I've worked in front of millions of people live and on television, but I'll tell you, this is incredible. I can share my thoughts instantly almost. It's an incredible thing. So join our Facebook community. Help yourself, help your friends. It's transformation. It's facebook.com/groups/students of self-empowerment. And like I always say, this isn't a money-making proposition. I'm doing this because I want you to have the tools you need to transform your life. When you change, people around you, they get inspired and they change. And slowly we change the world. But we have to do it by changing ourselves. The mind is the most incredible supercomputer ever invented. We all have one. We're all given one at birth, but they never give us the manual that tells us how it works. You get a manual with your phone, with your oven, with your microwave. Everything comes with a manual. And then we go to school. We don't learn it either. We learn all the things we're never going to use later. Why not learn how the mind works? It would change everything. We have 300 videos on our YouTube channel and about the same subscribers, which is not good. We haven't spent a lot of time promoting that, but we could use some help. We need to get to 1,000 so we can monetize. So help us. Tell your friends, your family. Again, you're giving a gift here because every video is about a different area that someone could be struggling with in their lives. We would love to have you join us. It's youtube.com/Brent Webb official. And finally, the holidays are upon us. If you're looking for something new that you can do this year, why not give the gift of self-empowerment, the gift of personal development, the most important gift of all? Not perfume or a tie, not a new copy of Modern Warfare, but what about the gift of transformation? If you go to brentwebb.com/shop, you'll see all my books, courses. You'll also see my one-on-one mindset program. I call it the Mindset Reset. It's personal coaching. We do one-on-one, 45 minutes a week via Zoom. Each session is recorded. You get to keep those forever. We take all of your goals, what matters to you, not the people around you, not your family, not your friends, not what you think they want you to do. We take your goals and then we push everything powerfully forward. We get you closer and closer until you make it to where you want to go. Even the most successful people in the world have mentors. I've worked with presidents, prime ministers, athletes. Everyone is great in some things and not in others. In the areas where people are weak, the successful get mentors. Mindset Reset. Go to BrentWebb.com. You can apply to work with me there. That's all I got for you today. I'll be back with The Science of Getting Rich, a new episode of Brent Live tomorrow. And as always, we're always working on lots of things for you. So go out and enjoy yourself today. It doesn't matter where you are, you're alive and you're well, you're above ground for another day. And don't worry, be happy and feel good. I'll see you tomorrow.